this device does need a companion device to operate the Meshtastic app and actually connect and communicate with other devices. But the point is that that device can be any type of computer or even an old phone, and it doesn't need to have a SIM or any sort of monthly carrier to do its job here. And that's the beauty.
As long as we are paired and connected to our R1, we can send messages to other devices within range on the same channel.
Okay, so I just want to show super quick how these devices actually talk to each other when they're paired and you have the Meshtastic app and you have no other sort of network. So on the left here, I just have an Android phone that is completely unlocked, has no SIM card, and currently the internet is turned off and the only connection it has is Bluetooth, and it's paired with this R1 here. Over here, same deal, no internet, no cellular, and it's paired via Bluetooth with the gray R1 here. And these two are DMing each other over the Meshtastic application. So I can just say, yo, and it comes through almost right away.